Ouch! The fun has ended. We cannot find the signal.
Piracy isn't a go. It is a serious crime to pirate TV channels according to the copyright law. For more information, go to help.9now.com.au. Turn off your TV. Didn't we hear what we said? We said to turn off your TV, but you didn't do it. Please turn off your TV or else we will give you a jump scare.
Criminals are prohibited on 9Go. 9Go is for good Aussie kids and not criminals. Please turn off the TV or I will give you a jump scare.